In front of me is HONOR Magic6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. You need to begin by launching your keyboard. When you're ready, click on the microphone icon at the top of it. If you can't see it, select those three dots at the top right corner. Select Settings, tap on Reach Input and click on grey switcher next to Voice Typing to activate it. Then click on Microphone and start typing. As you can see, Voice Typing is on. To stop, click on blue button with a microphone. To start again, click on the same, now white one. In order to go back to your standard keyboard, use this arrow at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!